How to make a milkshake. Forget the smoothies, granitas, cool lattes and other frozen imitators. There's nothing that satisfies your sweet tooth like a good old-fashioned milkshake. You will need your favourite ice cream, an ice cream scoop, a blender, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your desired flavoured syrup or less for vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, a large glass and a straw. Optional, hot water from the faucet and some fruit of your choice. Step 1. Scoop your ice cream into the blender. You'll need 4 full scoops. If you have trouble dipping into hard ice cream, run your scoop under hot water to heat it up between scoops. Step 2. Pour the syrup and milk into the blender. Add complementary fruit to your shake, like real strawberries to strawberry ice cream or bananas to chocolate ice cream. Step 3. Put the top on the blender and blend on medium speed until it's smooth and creamy. Step 4. Pour the milkshake into a large glass. If you added fruit to your shake, garnish the glass by hanging a piece on the rim. Step 5. Drop in the straw, take your first big slurp, then raise your glass to old-school ice cream drinks. Did you know? In soda fountain parlance, a black and white is a milkshake made with chocolate syrup and vanilla ice cream.